In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand, and aggregate for the construction of an RCC slab. It's an easy task to calculate how much material is required for the construction of slabs or quantity of cement, sand, and aggregate required in slab construction. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose we have to construct a slab of length and breadth as 30 feet each and the thickness of slab be 6 inches, that is 0.5 feet. For plain cement concrete works, the grade of concrete used is M15. That is, we have to achieve the characteristic compressive strength of 15 Newton per mm square. The ratio of cement, sand and aggregate used for M15 grade of concrete is 1:2:4. That is, 1 part of cement is mixed with 2 parts of sand and 4 parts of aggregate. Before proceeding further, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. In order to calculate the quantity of material used in slab, we need to calculate first the total volume of slab, which is given by total volume of slab is equal to length of slab, which is 30 feet, into breadth of slab, which is also 30 feet, into thickness of slab, which is 0.5 feet. So finally we will get total volume equal to 450 cubic feet. It should be noted that this total volume is the wet volume of the slab. Now we need to convert this wet volume to dry volume. Dry volume is equal to wet volume into 1.54, while this 1.54 is a constant value which I will discuss in my coming tutorials. So dry volume will be equal to 1.54 into wet volume, which is 450, and finally we will get dry volume equal to 693 cubic feet. Now to calculate the volume of cement, the formula used is ratio of cement divided by total ratio into dry volume of slab. While the ratio of cement is 1, total ratio is 7 and dry volume of slab is 693. So on substituting these values in the above formula, we will get volume of cement equal to 99 cubic feet. The number of cement bags is equal to volume of cement divided by volume of 1 bag of cement. While the volume of 1 bag of cement is equal to 1.25 cubic feet and the volume of cement is calculated as 99 cubic feet. So on substituting these values, we will get the required number of cement bags equal to 79.2, which is similar to 80 bags. Now the volume of sand is calculated by using the formula ratio of sand divided by total ratio into dry volume of slab. While the ratio of sand is 2, the total ratio is 7 and the dry volume of slab is 693 cubic feet. So on substituting these values, we will get the required volume of sand equal to 198 cubic feet. The volume of aggregate is equal to ratio of aggregate divided by total ratio into dry volume of slab. While the ratio of aggregate is 4, the total ratio is 7 and the dry volume of slab is 693. So on substituting these values, we will get the required volume of aggregate equal to 396 cubic feet. So this was all for today. We'll catch you up soon. Thank you.